Wanna know how to check if two strings are anagrams in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sort both strings and compare them. So an anagram, if you don't know, is simply which has the same letters, but it's just jumbled up. So listen and silent become equal after sorting as AILNST. So we have this code right here. We have created listen and silent right here. So we have also created arrays and we have converted into lowercase. So we have converted both arrays into lowercase first. Now we ignore case and spaces if needed. If sorted things match, they're anagrams, and if they don't, it's just an else statement. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is a simple way to handle puzzles, word games, or interview questions. So I'm just going to show you how it works. And there you go. Super simple and easy. So the silent and listen are both anagrams. And so it comes out as true. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.